Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Zoom echo and feedback noise during group calls. If you've ever been in a Zoom meeting where voices repeat, sound bounces back, or there's an annoying feedback loop, adjusting a few audio settings can make a big difference. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the built-in Zoom options designed to reduce background noise and improve echo control during group calls. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Once Zoom is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu, where you can access your personal app settings and preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for Zoom, where you can manage everything from video and notifications to your audio setup. Next, click on Audio in the Settings sidebar. This section is where Zoom lets you fine-tune how your microphone and speakers behave during calls. Since echo and feedback usually come from the way audio is picked up and processed, this is the right place to make the necessary changes. Now scroll down until you find microphone modes. This area controls how Zoom handles unwanted sound in your environment. If you're in a shared room using laptop speakers or joining a busy group call, these settings can help reduce the extra noise that often causes distractions. Once you locate it, click on Noise Removal. This tells Zoom to prioritize filtering out disruptive sounds that can interfere with clear speech. After that, click the drop-down menu and select Hide Background Speech. This setting is especially helpful when there are multiple voices or a noisier environment, because it gives Zoom stronger noise reduction for surrounding speech. After that, continue scrolling down and click on Advance. This opens additional audio controls that affect how Zoom manages sound in more detail. In the Advanced section, find Echo Cancellation, then click it and select Auto. This allows Zoom to automatically detect and reduce echo based on your current audio setup. It's a good general choice because it adapts to different devices and meeting conditions without requiring manual adjustments. Once these settings are in place, your Zoom calls should sound much cleaner, with less echo and less feedback during group conversations. If needed, give the settings a quick test in your next meeting to confirm the improvement. That's it for this guide, and you're now set up for clearer, smoother Zoom audio.